Okay, we are at 1803 through 1811. We're in the driveway in the backside. There's the trash cans. There's the driveway. There's approximately 3 cleanouts here, sewer cleanouts. Here's a 6-inch cleanout. We'll drop in. We got some roots there. Someone's done a repair. I'm going to head out towards the street. Oh, this is looks like ABS. Clean out. Continue. Another clean out. And this is where it ties into the clay. A little bit of root intrusion there. Shift. Another shift. We will come back a little slower. Root intrusions. Another shift here. Slight roots. Another shift. Slight. There's more roots coming in. Continue. Slight shift. And we're going to go out to the street there. See what that looks like. And there's a branch. That's a heavy root. That causes the pipe that's broken there. As we continue, we're going to have a little shift here and it drops it. We have that's the drop into the city right there. We're hanging over it, the connection to the city. Pull back, locate this out front. Okay, I've located that out by the manhole in the middle of the street. It's approximately 8.5 feet deep. We have a shift there. Now we're going to come back and look at that root. Here's another shift. Drop in. And there's the big root. I'm going to go out and locate that and mark it. There's a clear view of the root intrusion. It came through. I'm going to come back, see the rest of the line, shift, and here we go with some more heavy root intrusion up top right there. So this pipe is compromised. Slight turn shift, and as you can see, this line has root intrusion. Come back, there's more. There we go, some more little ones on top. And here we go. There's another heavy root intrusion right there. Fifth in the pipe. Niners. And there's another root intrusion right there. This pipe definitely has a crack in it. And there's a connection to the ABS. We're going to locate that spot. Okay, located that spot up by the sidewalk. Coming back out now. This is all ABS. This concludes the recording.